Hey guys, I'm back with BenQ GV30 Projector, and now let's do unboxing and full review of it. If you missed, we have already posted a video about BenQ VG30 on our channel Tech Brothers, but it was a quick tutorial how to install Netflix on the new projector. By the way, if you already have BenQ GV30, you cannot install Netflix, please watch our video by the link in description. It will be very useful for you. You know, BenQ GV30 Projector is one of the most expensive projectors that I have ever tested. However, the price is completely justified. But this is an advanced projector with stunning features, such as 2-in-1 sound system, 135 degrees projection angle, autofocus and keystone correction, Android TV operating system, and 4800 mAh built-in battery. The price of the new BenQ projector is $550, so make yourselves comfortable, because today we are going to talk a lot about BenQ GV30 projector. But first, please subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. By the way, if you are subscribed to our second YouTube channel, Instagram or TikTok, you may have already seen the unboxing of this projector. There is the image of BenQ VG30 on the front and back of the box, while the main features are at the bottom. We will talk about all of them later in this video. Inside the box there is a carry bag. This is a very useful accessory for a portable projector like BenQ VG30. Then we have different documentation, like user manual, warranty card, etc., as well as a tool to open a case of projector. Don't be afraid, I will tell you later why you need to do this. There is also a power cord, power adapter, batteries for remote control, and remote control itself, and magnetic stand for projector. BenQ VG30 comes with Android TV dongle in the package. It has a model name of QS01. As you can see on the back of the box, this is an HDMI media streaming device with 4K support, dual-band Wi-Fi, HDMI plug-in, mirror screen and voice search. Of course, you can use BenQ VG30 projector without this Android TV dongle, but then you will need to connect an external device to it, for example laptop, game console, etc. Talking about design, you know BenQ VG30 doesn't even look like a projector, because of its one of the main features, 135 degrees projection angle. You can place a projector on a magnetic stand and then move it up or down to project the image on the ceiling, wall, or even the floor. It is very easy to do. By the way, a stand has a powerful magnets, so you can just take the projector by the handle and carry it with the stand to another room. BenQ VG30 has a small lens, autofocus and keystone correction sensors on the front. At the top there is a power button, volume up and down, and Bluetooth speaker mode. Talking about speaker mode, the projector has 2-in-1 sound system. What does it mean? There is one speaker on the left side, the second speaker on the right, and the third one at the top. The bass speaker is located at the top, and it has a maximum power of 8 Watt. The right and left channels have 4 Watt, so the total power of a BenQ VG30 projector audio system is 16 Watt. Now I want to play some tracks to check the sound quality. You know, the projector has the best speaker quality of all projectors I have tested. It has very good bass despite its compact size. Talking about the size, BenQ VG30 is 185 by 185 by 85 mm. The weight is only 1480 grams. It is really compact and lightweight projector, so you can carry it between different rooms and also take it with you to the office, college, or even a camp. As for the interfaces, the new projector from BenQ has HDMI port, USB Type-C port, 3.5 mm audio jack, and power connector. As you can see, there are only a few interfaces, but you don't really need them, because the projector has Android TV and screen mirror function. By the way, BenQ VG30 has another HDMI port inside the case, but it is used for connecting Android TV dongle. Let me show you how to get to the second HDMI port. First, you need to take a special silicone tool in the package. After that, find a caption of TV dongle on the side of projector. Insert a tool there and move it around the whole body. If you hear the sounds of the latches opening, when the side cover is open, you need to connect a power cable to Android TV dongle and then plug it into HDMI connector. That's all. I really like this solution because Android TV dongle is hidden inside and doesn't draw attention to itself. Just imagine if it was plugged into HDMI port on the right side of projector. It would stick out and look terrible. Okay, Android TV dongle is connected. Now we can turn on the projector and look at user interface. You know, this is a stock Android TV. There are Google apps such as YouTube and Play Store, as well as some pre-installed apps from BenQ, for example, Prime Video and Familand. I think you know about Prime Video, and I don't need to tell you about this streaming service. As for the Family Land, this is a new app from BenQ for children. The most popular children's shows are collected here. By the way, if you want to watch Netflix on BenQ GV30 Projector, then you need to use Aptoide TV app. We already made a tutorial how to install and watch Netflix on this projector. You can find it by the link in description. You know, I forgot to tell you about remote control. It has some very useful buttons. First, there is a Prime Video button, so you can quickly open this streaming service. Then there is an autofocus button. Just press it, and the focus will be automatically adjusted. The next button is Keystone correction. By pressing on it, you can manually adjust the keystone correction. There is also volume up and down, mute, voice control, home, return, and other standard buttons on the remote control. By the way, you can press on the source button to choose a device connected by HDMI or USB ports, for example, game console. There is also a speaker mode in the source menu. When you go into this mode, the BenQ GV30 turns off a projection and works only as a speaker. As we have already discovered, the speakers are terrific here. In projection menu we can change a brightness. Picture mode from bright, living room, game, sports, cinema and daytime. Sound mode, such as standard, cinema, music, game and sports. The general settings include picture, where we can change the brightness, contrast, color, sharpness for each mode, and installation menu with following options: auto vertical keystone, manual vertical keystone correction, aspect ratio, test pattern, and high altitude mode. In the focus menu, we can choose real-time adjustment on-off, sensitivity, and manual focus. BenQ GV30 Projector has built-in battery, so you can choose a power mode. In the system settings, we can change a language, auto power off, system update, system information and projector information. BenQ GV30 runs on Android TV, so there is an Android menu like on the other Android devices. I will not go into details, because all of you know the functions of this menu, such as Wi-Fi, Google accounts, apps, remotes and accessories. Now I want to show you a wireless projection on BenQ GV30. As you can see, we can screen a mirror from iPhone, Android and PC. First, you need to connect the projector to the same Wi-Fi network as the mobile device that you want to mirror a screen. Then just open the screen mirroring menu on your smartphone and choose QS01. That's all. You know, there is a latency when you mirror a screen from smartphone on projection, so this method is not suitable for games. However, it is a very convenient way to show your family photos and videos from smartphone on a big projection screen. I have already said many times that BenQ GV30 is portable projector, and it has built-in battery with a capacity of 4800 mAh. The battery life on a single charge is 2.5 hours. By the way, let's measure a noise level of this projector. As you can see, it is only 34 dB near projector and 29 dB at a distance of about 1 meter. BenQ GV30 is a very quiet projector. Talking about projection quality, first I want to say about image size. I have placed a projector at a distance of about 3 meters, so the projection size in my case is about 100 inches. I think it could be bigger, but the manufacturer recommends not exceeding 100 inches for better picture quality. You know, I didn't tell you that before, but the native resolution of BenQ GV30 is 720p, 1280 by 720 pixels. I have tested many Full HD projectors, and I want to say that BenQ GV30 looks very similar to them. The image is very clear, and you can read the text without any problems. As for the colors, the new projector from BenQ has 100,000 by 1 contrast ratio. On these videos you can see how bright and saturated the colors of this projector are.
I have a sleeping disorder. I can't tell the difference between my waking life and dreams.
Hello, and welcome to
I don't feel safe here. I don't feel safe with any of them.
There are so many conflicting hates and jealousies.
Well, nightmares.
Now 0-2. France by 3. Mr. Colo sets up the offense. Good defense.
Big save by Fleury on the ex-Penguin.
Tested any smartphones of this manufacturer. Recently, Infinix has been releasing very interesting mobile devices.
And a lot of you kept asking, when am I going to do another one? When am I going to do the 2022 updated version? Because I hadn't done one in like a year.
It's by the biggest, most giant tech that you've ever seen. A giant keyboard. That's amazing.
Does it? I don't think so. I mean, you should get that. No, maybe yours does.
The brightness of BenQ GV30 is 300 ANSI lumens. For me, the projector is very bright. It is using only 50% of brightness. I don't think that you need more, because then the image will be overexposed. So you can even use BenQ GV30 during the day, but it is better to close the curtains or blinds. You know, before testing BenQ GV30, I thought that the price of $550 is too high for it. However, now I realize that it is even low. This is a premium projector with excellent build quality, amazing speakers, Android TV operating system, built-in battery and good projection quality. I think this is the best portable projector for home in 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.